Welcome to Malin's Earth to Sky Park.
The Earth to Sky Park is an environmental education park for those interested in learning about the natural world we live in, from the earth to the sky. The park opened in June 2017 in the location formerly known as the Energy Exchange, just outside of Burnsville, North Carolina. The development of the park began when it was certified as an International Dark Sky Park by the International Dark Sky Association. At the time, it was the 20th site in the world to receive that certification. The Bear Dark Sky Observatory filled the need for a place for visitors from all over the country to come and experience truly dark skies and see stars and planets through the largest public telescope in North Carolina. Since the opening of the observatory, the park has continued to grow, and we are looking forward to what the future holds as we invite more people to learn about everything from the earth to the sky.
The Earth to Sky Park is very special since we have the largest telescope in the eastern United States. And we also are located in an international designated dark sky park.
Over the next 5 years, the Earth to Sky Park will continue to develop. We're anticipating the first year of bringing in about 10,000 visits. And by year 5 or 6, we expect to be closer to 30,000 visits a year.
The Earth to Sky Park is just awesome. When we first came up and saw the design and the uniqueness, we were just fascinated about. They started rolling the roof back, that's awesome in itself, just seeing the roof roll back.
And once you've been here and experienced all that there is here, you definitely want to come back.
Educational vision for Malin Community College certainly is impacted with the opportunities we can offer here. Additional courses and classes, and with the addition of the planetarium that's soon to be completed, there'll be opportunities for bringing in classrooms for a 60-seat planetarium.
The Glenn and Carol Arthur Planetarium fits into the Earth to Sky Park vision in the form of non-stop environmental education. We can continue to show the night sky even if we have a rained out event and our observatory cannot open. And we can also use this platform to show other films such as the deeps of our oceans, into our bodies, and obviously our night sky.
We'll be one of 2 IDA sites in the world that have both a planetarium and an observatory. And that's huge for such a small community.
It is a place that truly upholds its mission of reusable, sustainable environmental education. From our upcycled parking lot to the siding on the buildings that eats carbon out of the atmosphere, every part of the Earth to Sky Park is purposeful and thoughtful.
The vision of Malin Community College and how the Earth to Sky Park fits in is that we have a focus on community development right now, trying to make a difference in the community, trying to bring more people to our community. This part of it is an opportunity for our young children to come in from school to see and get a great experience, for our people who live here to get a good experience and learning about the dark skies and the planetarium. And it gives a great opportunity for tourists to come into the area. And then it fits in with the whole Blue Ridge Boutique Hotel and the Three Peaks Enrichment Center on giving people even more things to do when they come. So it's not a single focused draw, but a multi-focused draw of bringing people in.
The biggest impact that the Earth to Sky Park has had on the economic development for our community is the added tourism that we are seeing. With the growth of tourism and visitors to the area, they are adding to the local economy with the staying in the motels and restaurants, and that's going to help with future projects.
Visitors can expect when they arrive on the Earth to Sky campus a plethora of learning opportunities. You can come into our visitor center and learn a little bit of the history of the park. You can explore our sustainable farming practices inside of our greenhouse, learn firsthand what aquaponics is, and come inside the planetarium and learn STEM education. And come up to the observatory where you can not only watch the sunset, but you can have a dark sky experience.
The reason that Malin Community College has taken on all these different projects is because we can. And I have a strong belief that if if an organization can make a difference, it should. And so we are just focused on making that difference, and we're the only entity in the area right now that has the ability to do this. So we are doing it, even though it's not typically what you would find in a community college mission. Our mission is to serve the community, and this is what's needed in the community.
There are a lot of different ways that donors can contribute to the Earth to Sky Park. We accept contributions of all levels, and we still have some naming opportunities available.
Why would you want to contribute to the Dark Sky Observatory up here? It's a wonderful teaching tool. It is helping our local community college, our community itself, and our county.
Well, for the last 4 years, there's been a lot to do at the Earth to Sky Park at nighttime. Coming soon, there'll be a lot to do during the daytime as well. We've got the Glenn and Carol Arthur Planetarium opening in just a few short months. Organizations can come and rent our Paul and Susie O'Connell Conference Center for board retreats. Families can come and enjoy a picnic at the Carolyn Monroe Wilson Picnic Shelter. People can go and see our fish in our aquaponics system and pick some lettuce while they're here. We would love for people and families to come from all over the place to really enjoy and learn about not only astronomy, but everything from the Earth to the sky.